Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you want to go and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where the left side screen we can see all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. They're going to enable us to access and edit our store. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can go ahead and get started with importing AliExpress products into Shopify products. There are two ways, guys. The first way is the manual way, where we can go ahead and open up the product section right here, the left side screen. That's going to open up this new main menu, and in the upper right corner in this menu is going to be the import button. So what you can do guys is export your products from AliExpress using a CSV file, and then you can add that file right here and upload and edit yourself. The other way guys is using an application. So what you can do is right here the left side screen under the app section, click add apps. After clicking on add apps, it's going to enable you to go ahead and open up the Shopify App Store. So click the Shopify App Store right here. That's going to open it up, and in the Shopify App Store at the top of the screen we're going to search for AliExpress. So as you can see, after searching for it guys, it's going to go ahead and give us a result of all the options right here and all the apps that are related to AliExpress, and you can find the one that suits you the most. So you have this one right here, which is for AliExpress dropshipping. So what you can do is get started with installing this application. This application is going to go ahead and enable you to connect your AliExpress to your Shopify and add products there. So you can click the install button right here. That's going to proceed to this new page where we can get started with authorizing this application, and after that you can go ahead and get started connecting it by clicking the install button. Once you have successfully installed it guys and added it to your Shopify store, it's going to appear right here under the apps option, and you can get started with accessing it and adding the products. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.